Hi guys, is it videoing?
Yeah.
Hi guys, so today I went to the store, bought 5 pairs of shoes, so one for every day of the week. So I'm gonna look real cool when I come to school on Monday. And these ones are Jordans. These ones are some other kind of shoe. These are some Roshis. Here I got some free runs. Me gusta. And these ones are Nike Tims. Alright. So it's an unboxing video. So I'm gonna unbox every single one. Like, psych, I didn't buy any shoes. Prank. Now my channel is a prank channel. Oh, here we go. That's it. And they're empty. Keemstar. Call her Keemstar. End the video. They can't know about Keemstar.
What do you
End it.
say?
End it.
Say something.
End it. Okay.
Little Uzi Vert. Hey James, what's your favorite animal?
I told you not to ask about that.